going to make a popsicle out of sticks. So first we need 8 sticks and make it a bundle. Then we need some 2 rubber bands. We need two rubber bands, and we need to pile it over here and over here. So let's do it. First, we take it and put it over here. Then we need to tie it 3 times. Another time. So we made it. Now another time we need one more rubber band. So I took a pink color. Then we it was like this, and we need to make. Now we need 2 more. And so now we need to take 2 popsicle sticks up and put it in the center. Like this. Then we need to take it. We need to take one more stick and put it on top of the another one. Then take one more rubber band and tie it again. It didn't go on, so I'm doing it again. We made it like this. Now we need a bottle cover. We need a bottle cover. No, first we need two stick glue tag. Then we need a bottle cover, a bottle cap, and stick it. Then we need to put the same thing as this. I showed you this, but I'm going to make this. So I made you this. Thank you for watching my video.